Okay guys, this is the adventure we're in for today. Got to, oh, there's another truck coming down the road. Maybe he's going to this spot too. That would be super cool. He can clear a path for me. I'm picking up at a sawmill and the address was wrong, and found the sign for it, walked up. The entire driveway is unplowed and it's all uphill, and I know this thing has terrible grip even at the best of times, so he's going to a different place. That sucks. Yeah, the place he's going to has a separate entrance, and I bet you that's good. Hey, he's plowing the road. Nice. Whew, boy, do I give it a shot? Is he gonna go for another try? Or another run? Yeah, I think he's got more room to go. Nice. Yeah, even he's having trouble with grip. That ain't good. Oh, it's a sheet of ice. All right. He's going for that again. Yep. Got the go ahead. Second gear is not going to happen to start off on this. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh God, can I get out of here? Come on, lockers, let's go. Clutch is out, we're just spinning. First gear. Almost got grip. Yeah, I think we got grip. First off, this is a tight turn. I came at it from the wrong side, so we're gonna see how this goes, but then if I can make the turn, you just gotta gun it. Hope for the best. I tried to go for third and didn't quite have traction in second. Now I lost a little bit of momentum. Okay, well, we climbed the hill, but this corner gotta go around, and he didn't quite plow enough for the truck, I don't think. So again, it's gonna be a momentum game. Come around the corner here, do a full 180. Hey, hey. We're not in too bad shape after all. Look at that. And to back up just a touch to line things up. Ain't gonna happen. He's got sawdust. All right, we'll be back. And we're back, fully loaded, strapped down, ready to go. Sure. So as you can see, he put down a little bit of sawdust for me to get going again. But this corner is still slippery and it's pretty tight. So I'm hoping I can keep steer traction around the whole thing. Otherwise, we going over. Well, by over, I mean into a pile of lumber. So we'll see. Everything's all covered in snow, and it looks like there's a bunch of crap on the side right here. And I'd rather not drive over that kind of stuff. We seem to be doing all right. Fresh tracks, running over some crap. Hopefully that's just dirt. Sure, okay. Yeah. Just keep going. Don't put me in the trees. Losing steer traction. Come on. The other sawmill. One thing that's nice about Canada is that daytime running lights are mandatory on most new vehicles, because if I weren't paying attention, he's basically invisible. It's always a good idea to have your headlights on, especially in the rain or snow. swept the tops of this lumber, it's still got snow coming out from between the pallets and stuff. We're in pretty good shape now. Well, till next time, guys. See you at the next one.